Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log out of Facebook Messenger on all devices. For you to do that, you cannot do it within the Facebook Messenger app. You have to log out in the Facebook app itself. So let's head over to launch the Facebook app itself, which is what I have done here. So once you log out of the Facebook account in the Facebook application itself, you automatically log out of that account in your Facebook Messenger. So this is the Facebook app. Then you might need to head over to the top icon of your screen where you have the 3 kebab menu. Click on that and it takes you over here where you have help and support, you have settings and privacy, you have also from Meta. So go ahead and click on settings and privacy and it takes you over here where you have a couple of options which include settings, privacy center, device requests, recent activity, all the way down to link history. So click on settings and that's going to open you up to the settings and privacy window. Over here, the first thing that you see at the top is account center. So in the account center category, click on see more in account center and it takes you over here. So in here, all you need to do is to click on password and security. Now, once you click on that, it takes you over here. We have a couple of categories, which include logging and recovery. Then, of course, you have security checks, where you have where you're logged in. So go ahead and click on where you're logged in, and you see where you're logged in, Nokia 2.4. You have this account here. So click on the account, and it takes you to the next window. It shows you the device that you use in logging in and every other detail. So go ahead and click on that device, and once you click on the device, you have more options in the next window. Now it says will help you secure your account in case you see a login that you do not recognize. Now if you check it closely, you'll see to log out on device, go to the Facebook app. Now click on Facebook app and it takes you over here. Scroll the way down, you see the logout option at the bottom of the screen. Now click on logout, and once you click on logout, it's going to log you out of the devices. So this pretty much the steps. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.